nawala na kasi yung hangin eh. Ang ganda kasi nung rustling of the leaves. And yun yung gusto kong matake. So you have to stay there. Just keep quiet and silently and patiently wait for the wind.
Wala ka dapat say.
It's the will of the wind. As the song says.
Pili ka niyan pero J nakalagay. Pwede ba yan?
Sige. Okay, ready? You have to walk stylishly.
Hindi ako marunong mag-walk stylishly.
You can do it. Use your instinct. Okay, ready? On your mark. Sige na, you can walk already. Walk stylishly.
Ikaw ba yung nagdidikta ng stylishly, no? Hindi ka bang makapag-post sa...
Ba't ganun? Hindi siya naging maganda.
Totoong pinipicturean mo ako? Hindi.
Video.
So, nasan yung motor? Nasa kabila. Sa likod niya.
kabila.
Parang ito yung scene dun sa ano, yung galing tayo sa... Ano ba yun? Yung pinainan natin na may...
Contis.
Oo, Contis. Parang ganito yung ilaw, di ba?
Ng branding.